Hey friendos, welcome back. Hey Crunk and Evan and Omni. Oh, I'm sorry, you don't have to watch me because I think well, first of all, we don't look good. We do not. We have dropped every number that we have control over down. So.
We usually go at 10,000 kbps. We're at 3,500. And we're also at 1080p 30, not 60.
I also didn't realize it was like 9 o'clock when I was like, yeah, let's Grid set up the laptop. We got back from dinner and I was like, let's go. And we don't need to, like, I don't have to. But I wanted to try one run. So let's try one run. But hope y'all are doing well. I'm already having a blast. We've done basically nothing except get wet. But I'm just so excited to be out of the capital region. I'm so sick of Albany, man. And then we got here and there was an Albany street and I'm like, the fuck no. Okay, I don't think we need to go to the apple orchard. Just a little, you know?
Is it at least watchable?
Yeah, Grid wants to know, is it at least watchable? Wow, this angle makes my jowls look... I'm just chubby these days. We can do a parlor over here. Perfectly watchable? Awesome. Great.
It's not a high motion one, so.
Yeah, this is not the hardest game in the world. Oh, I don't think we've ever found the coin purse in here. I also, you know, I'm regretting not sitting down with my water. Hold on. I am regretting not writing down where I found the levers. But when I found them, I figured they were like everything else that has been changing when we find it, like from room to room. I also feel like we have a lot of shit to worry about before we have to honestly worry about the levers, so maybe it's not a big deal. The black box is empty. The black box is true. The black box is black. Okay. So if the black box is empty, then all three of these are true. Oh, oops, I can go out of the parlor. Just forgot what direction I was in. I don't usually put the parlor on this side. Ugh. I feel like the chapel thinks it's my best friend. Yeah, I know there's gonna get to a point where okay. The initial thought that I was gonna say with my mouth was, there's gonna get to a point where I'm down on my knees screaming, why, Crunk, why? But that statement in a vacuum is not what I meant. I just meant, like, it doesn't seem like there's that much going on right now that I can't pay attention to all of it at the same time, but the ominous bullshit that you guys keep bullshitting me is ominous. And maybe I just need to hold closer in my heart the idea of 1,400 screenshots. Okay, I did bring my notebook, but I did not bring a pencil, so I'm not allowed to write in my notebook, so I hope we don't find anything really good. I do want to look at... Is this the first? Oh, of course. Oh no, the West Wing Hall. Oh no, this would be the worst. This would be barren ground. This is the barren ground. Great. So this would be the worst possible place to put the patio. Let's put it there. Who cares? What have we done so far today? We stopped at a couple of let's get a key. We stopped at a couple of shit shops. We got a copy of the PC game Black and White. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Yep. I got a couple neat pins at a bookstore. We stopped at a like super kawaii Asian coffee shop with lots of claw machines. Yeah, it was $6. I was tempted by I don't remember how much it was, but it was a sealed copy of Civ 4. But like, I'm not good at sealed copies. Because I just don't, I'm not the person who's gonna put that sealed copy on the shelf, you know? Well, we'll definitely have to play it at some point, if possible, if it's even playable. Well, I keep thinking that PC games are like, you know, Xbox games where you can just put it into the machine and it go, but that's not how those work anymore. Let's take the drawing room. Yeah, that's like I don't know that I would have the balls to open a sealed copy, especially if it were a game like that I really loved, but I don't know. Oh, man. Well, we can't do the mailroom because then we'll be just done. Yeah, but I kind of sidestepped that question by just not buying collector's editions of shit. Nice. Hell yeah. I feel like the most fun part for me isn't even just the collection. It is finding something that somebody does not know what it is that they have. Finding the $5 copy of fucking who knows. What really gets me. I don't know if there's anything ever going to be up there. That was a great way to say that. And I don't think so. God, I love the way this brings your camera when you go down. It's so nice. As opposed to all those spiral staircases that just let you look in one direction while you're trying to... You're not going forward anymore. Ballroom. Clara and Simon. His face looks like there's something wrong with it. Oh, thank you. Oh, sick. Okay. Oh, shit, I don't have a pencil. Hold on. Okay, I have 4 crochet hooks. You don't have a pencil in your bag, do you?
No.
Okay, well, here's the time where I take pictures. All right, we're missing 1 page. Under these stars the dance is held, and to the floor we are compelled. The gowns glide on and music swells, and at the end the clock strikes 12. What that means only time can tell. To remain for one last dance, and spin again around clock hands, and as they turn a second chance, to rise above the falling sands, the true time lost in past romance. I know. I don't feel bad about taking phone notes. I just, like, want the stuff in my notebook. It's fine, it's fine. I'll transcribe it when I get home. I even thought about it, too. I was like, oh, I have to go get a pencil to put in my notebook.
Mm-hmm.
It's really not a big deal.
You should have, like, a something.
Usually they have a pen, yeah. Really want to buy a pack of smokes. I know, Ami, I know. I know. This has gotta do something. Oh, shit. Well, I fucked us. Good talk. They actually gave me real coffee mugs in here. So tomorrow we're actually going to go into Salem and we're going to see the Salem Witch Museum, and we looked up a bunch of cute little stores and an arcade, I think. Let's just try to go straight for a while. Well, that ended quickly. I wish we could rotate. I don't think we've been in the workshop. Springs, screws, and coils scattered atop the workbench show signs of this room's frequent use. A craftsman's studio dedicated to creativity and invention, this room was used by your uncle regularly whenever he needed to fix or improve a gadget or contraption. Not a contraption. Ballroom, an opulent hall with a polished mirror floor. In the old days, numerous balls and dances were held in this splendid room. However, as he aged, the Baron began to prefer private parties in the parlor over the grand formal receptions of his youth. The true box does not always contain the prize. Uh-huh. Nice. Okay, so we should be able to go back into the music room and do something there. Actually, we should be able to at least... Music room. First words on the sheets. Are true, message. First words on the sheets are true message, so... Well, under 2 stones. Trees under 2 stones. Something. I don't remember the first bits, but that's okay. We can... Whenever we go back to the music room. Well, I mean... We have a whole streaming rig so that I do stream when we go away. Relatively often if hotel internet is something that will play along with us, but...
Complaining?
No, somebody just saying, I must be addicted, which is also true. I wonder if I could combine, like, the sledgehammer and... the salt shaker. Are you beeping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Kind of sick of the pantry, I do have to say. Or the parlor. I also hate math time. Oh. All right, 14 divided by 7 is 2. (16 plus 17) is 33. Divided by 3 is 11. 13 minus 10 equals 3. Times 3 is 9. Divided by 3 is 3. I'm so good at math. You wouldn't know it from my grades. Interesting that this mountain seems to be... Maybe it's a different mountain. Or maybe Mount Holly is a spaceship. Well, we do have to do a lot of backtracking, so... we could hit the office. I almost forgot again? What? Hey, newbie. Oh, right, you. That's fine. hate that this chair, I can't. Yeah, I still don't know this, so. Oh, right. We've scattered a bunch of money around and I haven't been paying attention. Oh, was the store locked? I think it was. Hmm. Huh, the pool. I wonder if that remained at the level that we had it at, or if. This seems. Yeah, like I left it, which is bad. Because I didn't understand what we were doing. Hang on 1 second. Just the slightest bit chilly. Huh? Yes, and I will open it more when I will open the window more. Uh. Okay. This is a real question that I want a real answer to. Can I solve... Can I empty the pool with all the things I have in this room as it is now? I mean, levers notwithstanding. Yes? Okay, great. That's not the answer I wanted. Goddamn. I feel like I need to get shit into the reservoir tank, but I don't know how. Thank you, Omni. You're so supportive. Well, I don't think that has changed. I feel like this tank should be able to go to this tank, which is probably incorrect. It's probably just that the fountain in the reservoir. Although I also don't know if they mean reservoir as in that or reservoir as in there is a reservoir that I haven't. I did do that, and I didn't find that it really helped me. All right. Hey, Gremlin. Yeah, I don't get what this... I don't get what this one does. So we can put this tank into the pool or the gym. Don't know how to put it into the reserve tank. Because I don't think that's the same as the reservoir. I hate this puzzle so much. I don't understand why pump 2 tank switch matters. At all. Well, I can't get anything to go into the kitchen. Unless I pull it out of 1 or 2. I hate you. I also hate how long these levers take. Okay. Great. I want this to now empty that tank, but I don't think that's how this works. Nope, it is. Oh, thank God. Okay. No, I think that's probably backwards, but... This puzzle's stupid and I hate it. I hope there's jack shit in the pool. That's it. I wanted this to open. Oh, great. figured out the pool. I don't know. I don't know, Gremlin. Hmm. Hmm. Guess all we have left is the chapel. Swimbird by Marion Marigold. Oops. Aw, Simon. Detective Bon Marvel. That's interesting. I am a dare bird. I am a daring and brave bird. Diving so deep bird. A ride on the wave bird. There is not a dare I would not do. There is not a depth I would not dive to. However, my friends are not very open to the ideas I like. To the idea that I like the sky less than the ocean. Bird in the sky, not in the sea. That's what they say when looking at me. You are not sea bird. You are not swim bird. If you are friend bird, fly in the wind bird. And shouldn't you always listen to friends? For they know me best, or so they pretend. So I dare not dive, and I dare not swim, and I dare not step foot in the ocean again. Oh, that's it? What? Okay. And I dare not smile, and I dare not laugh, for they will do it for me on my behalf. And I dare not dream, and I dare not speak, for maybe my friends won't like the real me. And I will say goodbye to my dreams in the sea, and wonder why daring feels just like defeat. Wow. Okay, that is a bummer children's book. Thanks, Mom. Ooh. Well, if we do the freezer, we get a butt ton of money for tomorrow, but we are... I know we can get in the middle of the cloister, but I don't know how. We haven't seen the freezer yet. Let's see the freezer. But it says... Oh, okay, so I didn't even have to go in for that to occur. Alright, so we can thaw the freezer. Somehow. Probably with the boiler room. That's interesting. That sucks. Interesting. I wonder if those go into reserve somewhere or if they just disappear. Can we combine the key card and the sledgehammer? Sledgehammer and the magnifying glass? Where did I want to go? Oh, the workshop. Let's go all the way over to the den. Nope, that's the wrong way. Oh. Oh. To that. Doesn't seem to work. Well, I guess I have one more key now. Oh, and the key card. Ooh! Just in time. Well, I guess we're done. Ooh. If you unlock a door with a prism key in a green room, hallway, bedroom, red room, or shop, you will draw floor plans of that same color. Cool. Neat. That is true. I haven't gone back to the shrine with money, which I meant to. All right, well, this is our null room, so let's not make it the patio. Let's make it the dark room. Actually, I don't even want to draft a room out of here. It doesn't matter. We can just leave. Let's take the furnace only because we've never been there. The main centralized heat source of the estate. You may find yourself starting to sweat after drafting this room. Terrace. Corridor. Laundry room. Archive. Boudoir. Probably should have put the laboratory here. Well, let's see if this lets me out. Damn it. Well, I think we got every red room. So let's go to the shrine if we can. We can definitely make it with 47 steps. Yeah, I'm sure. There has to be something good about the furnace. Because it sucks. Oh, right, this isn't just the shrine. Well. I should start out here. Could be, could be. Why can't I climb? There's just too many bird bats.
Why is that there?
Looks weird. Can we crank the sundial? Well. Ooh, the chair leans back. Quite far. Scarlet Cottage. Closing address. For the last 38 years, it has been my pleasure of serving as your schoolmaster in this humble little facility. And meager as it may look by modern standards, I think most of us who spend our afternoons here will readily admit that we are reluctant to see this small piece of Reddington history go. I first wish to thank Lady Epson, our most gracious host today, for not only paying attention in my classes those many years ago, but for all the fundraising she's done on behalf of our community and our children. Without her, Reddington Elementary would still be a distant and blurry vision, a vision that I dared not even dream. That dreamer, of course, the incomparable Mrs. Peterson, our future principal and my reluctant successor, who I might add, forced me to give this speech, so I think I'll end my praise of her there, though she deserves much more, I'll admit. To the architect of our new school, the Baron Sinclair, thank you for following in your father's footsteps and building Reddington yet another school, and for also allowing the use of your own private residence and floor plans to serve as our interim facility until the new campus is completed in March, a decision I'm certain he will immediately regret tomorrow morning when he hears the children running through his halls. And lastly, I wish to thank all my students, many of you here today whom I have not seen in years, whose faces I still remember as young and manners wild. Those here whose parents before them I have also taught and whose children I may yet. Without you, I would have had a lifetime of quiet peace. And yet, what is all the peace in the world if you have no one to bestow demerits upon? Thank you all sincerely. My time here has meant the world to me, and if I am still standing in 8 months, I will see you all at the slightly less melancholic ribbon-cutting ceremony next year. Better joke to end? Remember to give Miss Peterson her gift. I was not expecting to find that here. Takes your day and sets it on fire. Yeah, that's pretty good. It was pretty accurate. This takes so many fucking steps. Where's my golf cart? Car keys. The other 2 boxes are empty. The other 2 boxes are blue. The other 2 boxes are true. Oh my god. Does this mean the microwave's true and the coffee machine's false? I've never been in the laundry room before. Oh. Interesting. Huh. Alright, so unfortunately not particularly useful, but a new room that we have seen. Well, I guess let's take the guest bedroom. It is the same gem that was here before, although I don't think that really necessarily means anything. Color worksheet. Fill in each object below with its correct color. Yes. An exact copy of the floor plan used in the architectural design of Reddington Elementary. These copies were deployed in Mount Holly as a short-term solution to allow the curriculum to continue uninterrupted while the new school was being built in town. What do I do with these? Everyone's favorite color is red. Caleb fucking failed. Can't I fill it out? I imagine I need to know the correct colors of the things. But, well, I imagine I need to know the correct colors of the flags. But for what, I don't know. And I'm not going to bother writing it down right now. I don't know how they got the letters to float off the wall like that. That's crazy. And a safe deposit key. That's crazy. Fuck. Shit. Oh my god, I want to find the garage so bad. Well. After the passing of the Baroness Aravai, her private study was claimed by her eldest son, Herbert Sinclair. For years, he immersed himself in the countless notebooks she left behind, drawing inspiration from her discarded ideas. From mechanical puzzles to architectural blueprints, each endeavor he pursued in this room was realized in the shade of her creative legacy. What the fuck is that number to? Nope, I don't know this one either. I don't know if it's possible with so little time left, but I need to remember to ask Anne if we can commission new artwork for all the rooms of the house. We need them produced in sets of 2, a pair for each room. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm thinking. I'm likely delusional to think this can be pulled off by Thursday. How do I interact with them? Ah. Well, that's fine. I'm not even going to start thinking about that right now until I get home. There's other things we can fuck around with. We don't need to start on this one right now. It's fine. Okay, the only thing we can do is go back to the entrance hall and just pray that it's going to give us a garage. Man, I've got so much stuff, and it is such a disappointment. Are we getting game sound? I don't hear any game sound. Just realized that after an hour. Huh. Well, I mean, I can also raise the audio over here. I just mean, like, I'm not hearing any of it. Oh, there it is. -12 -7. Times 4. That's not right. Yeah, 12 -7 is 5. Oh, 5 times 4 is 20. I know how to count. Are these getting more complicated? 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 divided by 20 is... There it is. $16 minus 5 is 11, times 2 is 22, divided by 11 is 2. Yay! Alright, that gave us a key, so we have one more chance in the hallway. Oh, thank God. Oh, I hate you. the garage has to be on the outside. Why would you teach this? This seems not useful. Well, that's it. Oh, I wonder if we can put the garage keys in the coat check. That would help. I also wish you could put a pin on the map and it would show you which way to go. Nope. One more. One more, and then I personally will call it a day. What? Let's try the shelter. Remain where you are for now. Given that the Red Guard is due tomorrow, we've agreed with your plan and have disabled remote access to the other terminals and have sealed the network mainframe. Regardless of the danger, I'm still not willing to risk removing shelter from the draft pool while the three of you are down there. Our best bet is to sit tight and hope for a little bit of luck. Not the network mainframe. Measure of the radiation levels detected in the house and surrounding grounds. These readings are often spiked by the experiments conducted in Mount Holly's laboratory. If the reading of 12 sieverts, the U sievert, I don't know what the U is for. I thought it was sieverts or higher, emergency protocol will initiate and all doors in the house will automatically unlock. Microsieverts. Thought you disconnected this one from the network. Interesting. Oh, face and ace. Security's probably good to start with. Fine. was an S last time, so that must be this room's letter. Nice. Ah, shovel, my beloved. Her ladyship's chamber. Fuck. Oh, we have to go back outside. Yep. Oh, just kidding. Can we battery power the spyglass? Her ladyship's diary's locked. Rude. Plus what? What the fuck can we do with that? Oh, right. Damn it. I don't want to continue through there necessarily. Oh, nice. Thanks. Perfect timing. Oh my god, so many turnips. The statement on one of the other two boxes would be true if you replace the word every with the word this. Ack. I wonder if the... oh no, I wonder if the chess pieces indicate that the letters move. The most delicious apples you ever will see. I feel like we're just kicking the can down the road with the corridor. not doing great on the shovel here. Oh, well, this is good. Rumpus room. Oh no, I want that really badly. Preface. This book contains a complete star base, a list of constellations, and the observed effects that accompany the appearance of each one. Depending on the number of stars that can be seen in the sky on any given day. Oh, this is just exactly the book that's in... Ah, bummer. There's no page 6. There's several pages missing. Oh, unless it's just numbers of stars. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well, that's annoying. Well, that's all she wrote. Oh no. Hey, Snowball. What? I could probably buy a key in the commissary. I could definitely buy a key in the commissary, actually. I have a thing? Oh, I do have a disc, and I can go back to the... bunker. Good call. Good reminder. Thank you. Just kidding, I can't buy a key in the commissary because keys don't get sold in the commissary. Let's go back through the workshop and see if we can do anything fucky with the... What could we possibly do with the sledgehammer and the battery pack that needs another item? Oh. I wish I had the coat check. Oh, I've got this one too. I guess it doesn't make a difference. I'm assuming it doesn't make a difference. Hmm. That's interesting. Let's do the indoor nursery. Okay, now I think there's nothing else I can do. I set the time lock safe. I'm assuming it's based on real time. I set the time lock safe for Wednesday at 7. So unless something stupid happens, I will be streaming this. But I think that's about it for today. Yeah, thank you for hanging out for a really janky stream. It's likely I'll be on tomorrow, probably late again. So we'll poke at it just a little more. We'll still be casual. If I can find a pencil while I'm out, maybe we'll be a little less casual, but thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. I don't know how to stop on this. Probably not going to be very graceful.